Let's take a look at this AmzFeel CarPlay adapter that the company sent to me as a sample for this video, but that never affects what I say in my reviews. My wife has a Volvo SUV with CarPlay, and she's always wanted it to work wirelessly like it does in my Toyota truck. So this AmzFeel USB adapter looked like just the solution. However, Volvos can be a little different, so it definitely wasn't a slam dunk. In fact, I had recently attempted and failed to wirelessly connect CarPlay using an adapter from a different company, so I was just keeping my fingers crossed. Nevertheless, undeterred, I forged ahead and gave this one a try. And I won't bore you with too many details, but to my surprise, it worked. Here are the instructions if you really feel the need to read, but honestly, if you've ever connected any phone to Bluetooth in a car, you know how to do this. It took me under 5 minutes, and that includes wiping down the dashboard and center console and setting up my camera and tripod to do this video. I expect most of you will be able to complete this in less than half that time. So if you're looking to connect your phone to your vehicle's CarPlay system wirelessly, give this AmzFeel adapter a try. If it can connect to a Volvo, I'm pretty sure it'll work just fine with your vehicle. Thanks for watching.